Oh, hi, I'm Len. Welcome to my room. This is a two-bedroom penthouse villa at the Polynesian Island Towers in Walt Disney World. We'll start the tour in the living room. This is our living room area. Got plenty of comfortable couch space. This is actually a fold-down Murphy bed. You can see the handles there. It's a queen bed, and it sleeps, actually it's a full, I think, and it sleeps two. One of the things I love about this area is dual-sided televisions. So here's a TV in the living room. And here's a TV in the dining room. And speaking of the dining room, we've got table setting here. I think you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, at least 10 people here. But this is comically large. This is one of those Bugs Bunny pass the salt type tables. Of course, over here in the kitchen, you got full-size refrigerator, full-size range, full-size microwave, a dishwasher, a sink, and you've got all of the things that you need to do to cook. You've got bottle openers for wine, you've got tongs, and there's all kinds of cooking stuff here. Glasses, pots and pans as you need them, and then more stuff too. We've got over here laundry. So you washer and dryer in case you need to do clothes. And one of the interesting things about this, although it's a two-bedroom, it's got 3 full bathrooms. So that makes getting ready in the morning a lot easier and faster for everyone. So here's one right off the dining room. And you can see it's got a rainforest shower head as well as a detachable wand thing. You've got body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. A little place to store stuff as you need it. I mean, it's a really nice functional bathroom, and it's very, very large, especially the one I have in my house. Got more storage over here. And let's go check out the first set of bedrooms. So this is the guest bedroom. It's got 2 queen beds, plenty of storage space, as you can see, and then plenty of counter space as well. Plenty of drawer space to store stuff for a very, very long trip. The other thing I like about this is each side of the bed has multiple outlets. So it's got not only plug-in outlets for regular electrical stuff, but also USB-A and USB-C on both sides. So you'll never have to worry about charging devices or where to charge them. One of the other great things about this, of course, is the view. So if you look outside, you can see the Contemporary and the Magic Kingdom in the distance. The Polynesian is that way. Let's go check out the main bedroom. Oh, let's check out this bathroom too while we're here. Full length mirror, more storage. So this bathroom features 1 sink and plenty of counter space. Also another huge shower. I haven't been in this shower yet, but if the floor is like the one at the Wilderness Lodge Copper Creek Cabins, then those are little stones that feel really, really good on your feet after a long day in the parks. Let's go check out the main bedroom. All right, main bedroom here. This is a king-size bed. It's got a great mural on the back to make it feel Polynesian-y. Plenty of storage space again. You've got 6 large drawers here. You've got a full armoire to store things in, as well as smaller storage on the side. The bathroom setup here is a little bit different than in the guest bedroom. And this, instead of having 1 large sink with a lot of counter space, you've got 2 smaller sinks here. Each of them have enough counter space, I think, but it's a different setup, and the mirrors are slightly different as well. I do like the fact that that Disney did these unusually shaped mirrors. It gives it a more of a organic sort of island feel instead of doing square or circle or anything like that. You've got a huge bathtub here. And one of the things that I think is really interesting about the bathtub is the angle of the slope of the one side. I mean, it looks really, really comfortable if you wanted to sit in the bathtub, maybe with a glass of wine, and look out at the scenery. You got one more shower here, again, just like the one in the guest bedroom. So you've got a rainforest shower head. You've got a detachable wand, and I think room for 4. But I think the main draw, the thing I like most so far for this room is the view. So let's go ahead and take a look. Not a slide door, and it took me 30 seconds to figure that out. So this is the view, and I think this is one of the best views of any hotel room in Walt Disney World. It also helps that the weather is kind of fantastic right now. But over here, you can see the Poly, you got the monorail in the background, but you can see the Cinderella Castle. In the middle, you've got Tron and Space Mountain, and then you've got the contemporary light tower over there, and then of course you've got the regular Poly over there. I love the boat traffic because it provides some movement, some visual interest as you're sitting here. But yeah, it's a fantastic day. The weather's beautiful, and this is a great view. So really, this is one of the reasons why you would book this particular room over a regular 2-bedroom here. Like, this view is spectacular, really nice. So I hope you guys had fun with the tour. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and we'll try and answer them on video as well. Thanks.